Shipping setup on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make your shipping in squarespace.com on your website to sell products correctly and to use the magazine for users to be safe. Okay guys, so it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do. So if you have an existing website, just click on website right here. And the first thing you need to do is to create an account. It's free on squarespace.com. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new website. So click on this button, create website, and here you see all the templates that are offering to you. So all those templates are divided into the types and topics. So today we are creating an online store, and you just need to pick a topic. I would not pick the topic right now. I'm just going to see the best templates matches for the online store right here. So and just choose the best you like, the best that suits you. So for example, I would click on this one. This one looks good. Here you can change the sample color presets right here, so all the color palette of your website would be changed. So as you can see, it's changing. So I would like to change it to I don't really know. Okay, so I would stay on this color palette, then just click on start with this design, and your shop, your website is already ready. Okay guys, so let's see the dashboard. It's going to be loaded in seconds, and I'm going to show you how to easily set up your shop. So next thing you need to do is to create a name for your website. I'm just going to type online shop. Okay, so the site name would be online shop, then just click on close, and as you can see, our website is right here. So if you want to edit something, just click on this thing, edit, and you're going to be headed into the editor page. So as you can see, our website, our pages are divided into the sections. The first one is the header and the last one is footer, and those are main sections. You can easily edit them right here. So just then click save and exit to exit the editor's page. You can also see right here the mobile view of your website. As you can see, is scaled up, and you don't need to change anything. Okay, so let's see how to make your make your store set up, and I'm going to show you right now in seconds. So here you just setting up your store, add products right here, choose whether your product is physical, service, download, gift card, member on site, video on demand, equity scheduling, course, or a blog. So for example, as an example, I'm going to use a physical product. So here it's creating the product. We need to select a name for this product. So for example, we would sell onions as an example, one onion. Okay, so here next thing, you just add image right here, then you create a price. I would made it $50. So here you tick whether it's unlimited stock, or just right here how many pieces of this product you have. For example, I have 100 onions. So just click next, and here you can set up the description for your product, additional info. You can add image right here, the inventory, how much it costs, whether it's on sale, so it will be a discount for this product, whether it's in stock and how many stock do you have, SKU is a special code for each product for you to be in touch with all your products. So next thing is the fulfillment, and that what we really need right now. So the fulfillment is the shipment. So here you add profiles and allow buyers to select how they'd like to receive this product, for example local pickup or ground shipment, and here you click on setup fulfillment profile. So then save and leave your product, and we are going to hit into the shipment thing. Okay, so here you generate recurring revenue by upselling customers with subscription options directly on your products page. You can unlock this new feature from the checkout section, so we don't read it right now. So here is the fulfillment profiles. You need to add fulfillment options, and here you set up shipping. So setting up shipment is really easy. You just add the shipping options right here, so how your product could be shipped. Here you add a flat rate, so you can add an option how it's going to be optioned. So it can be optioned by a flat rate, by depending on weight, cost, carrier calculated via FedEx, carrier calculated via UPS, and carrier calculated via USPS. So for example, I would add a flat rate for this product. We need to edit this flat rate. For example, name this somehow. I would name it mail. Okay, so here you add per order fee. So for example, it would be $100 and the fee per item would be $5. Next you click save and add shipping zones. So here you add in which countries, in which cities you can ship. So I just clicking on rest of the world. It's going to cover 245 countries. Then you just click save, and right now our product can be shipped into the all the countries. So also you can set up pickup options. So if you have a physical shop, you can add it this address right here. You can set up locally delivery options, so it will allow your customers to purchase and receive their orders without the need to visit a physical store or wait for shipping. So next option, you can set up fulfillment profiles. Those profiles is a set of fulfillment rules for specific products. If you want to have different delivery methods or rates set up for your products, you can now create fulfillment profiles. So you can do it right here. Okay guys, so I hope you have understood everything about the shipment on the squarespace.com, and right now I'm going to show you the plans that you can upgrade for. So the first one, the cheapest one, it called the personal. It's cost $16 per month. The most popular one is the business one. It costs $23 per month. Next one is the commerce basic. It costs $28 per month. And the last one is the commerce advanced. It costs $52 per month. Okay guys, I hope you have known something new from my video. If so, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.